Okay, let's talk to Pasquale. Groovy. I'll call him right now. We'll meet him in tonight. And so we did. Okay. We're going to talk about a new word that was in here. Okay? So, one of the words that was in here is complicated. Have you heard the word complicated before?
Yeah.
You have? Do you have an idea of what the definition might be of complicated?
I don't know what that is.
You don't know? Okay. So in the book, here I did put a little box around it. So it says, my mother can do amazingly complicated math in her head.
Is that a library book?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you put a circle around it though?
Well, I just circled it so I knew where I could find it. Okay, so she did amazingly complicated math in her head. So let's think about that. So complicated, you've heard it before, right? Okay, so let's try to think of a definition. So, complicated math. Do you like math? You do?
Not the greatest.
Not the greatest?
I used to in kindergarten.
Do you find it easy or do you find it hard?
Easy.
You do find it easy? Okay, so if you find math easy, would you say math is complicated? Does that make sense? No. So, if you say math is complicated versus math is easy, what would be another word that you could say for complicated?
Hard.
Hard. Okay, so look. Remember this?
Mm-hmm.
So write a synonym of the word. So synonym of the word you just said was
Not easy.
not easy, or you said hard, right? Okay? Good. So let's put our word here. Complicated. Okay? So write the definition. So we said complicated is also the same as not easy or hard. Okay? So what could be a definition of complicated?
What does definition mean?
So definition is what a word means. So if I said math is really complicated, what else could we say?
Not hard.
It's hard, okay, it's not easy. There might be a lot of different parts of it. Does that make sense? Okay. So let's say could we say
hurts.
your
This
eye
eye hurts. This one hurts.
maybe shut it for a little bit. Okay, so we could say not easy. Okay.
I'm gonna fall asleep if I have it shut.
Oh, maybe don't shut it then. Not easy. What else did we say for complicated? Lots of parts.
Yeah,
Lots of parts to it.
Mm-hmm.
So, like your Lego sets. You know how you do your Lego sets? So sometimes aren't there like a ton of different pieces to it?
Yeah, so I had a really easy Lego set and I kept on messing up and I couldn't get it to work. And then all of a sudden I looked at the math and I was like, I was looking at the wrong thing. Because it showed me something different to make. Instead of just following the thing I was making, It showed me something else.
So it was more complicated than you thought.
Yeah, it was like a big map with 1 and then 2. It's not like a book.
Oh, okay.
It's like when you open it, it's like it gets into a big square.
Yep. So your Legos could be easy or they could be complicated, right? Because there'd be a lot of...
I had a really hard one.
Okay.
I want to get a body Lego set I want to try that. Okay, that's going to be... It looks like it's going to be hard, but I really, 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 really want it, and it's I think I have $200. And if you get more money, can you give me some more?
I'll help you get your Lego set if I can.
It's $350.
Holy cow. Okay, let's finish this. Foursquare. Ready? So we're going to use it in a sentence, which we've done that already, haven't we, with your Legos? So what could we say? Building Lego sets.
I'm going to count my money today. If I have a lot, if I am close to 350,
okay.
And if I have 300, I just need $50 more. Okay.
Okay, you let me know if you get it. Okay, so a sentence. Building
Legos.
Lego.
Do you know how to spell Legos? I can spell it for you.
I think I got it. L-E. Is that right?
L-E-O. I think.
Leg. G.
L-G.
L-E-G.
O-S.
S. Okay.
Legos.
So building Legos can be. Listen.
I'll have to bring a book.
What is this?
Complicated.
Does that make sense? Building Legos can be complicated. Good. That's a good sentence.
I want to write the word.
Okay, so you can draw your picture there. Okay.
Picture.
Real
like
quick, draw a picture of complicated. So what could you draw?
Oh. So I'll draw a Lego set, and if I draw the thing I was making that was really hard, I'll draw a Bugatti Lego set.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to draw your Lego set. Okay.
So a weird face. I want to make a weird face. Look, this is my weird face.
Got a big mouth. Okay.
It's not letting me put it in because I did put that piece on.
Oh, okay.
And that clicks in like that. That's the fin, and it goes up and down. And since I put that one there, it's not clicking in because it's blocking it.
Oh, okay. Are you good?
Mhm.
I like it. Looks pretty complicated to me.
You have to tell your teacher that.
I'll tell her. I will let her know. Okay.
Are you gonna tell her today?
Now, I might have to tell her next time I see her in class.
How much days is that?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So, we're gonna do a little questionnaire. Okay. This is a reading attitude survey. Okay.
What is that?
It means
Night for?
it means it's recording.
So it's recording right now.
Okay, we're going to do a little reading attitude survey, okay? So I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to give me this, this, or this. Okay, this
I
means,
see the answers.
this means yes, smiley face, not really sure, or no, sad face. Okay? So, how do you feel when you find a book you want to read? When you find a book that you want to read, how do you feel?
And this time, yes.
Good. Okay. Okay,
It
next
shut off
question.
again.
That's okay. How do you feel when you have free time at school to read anything that you want? You good?
Double awesome.
You like that? Okay.
Put 12 faces.
How do you feel about reading books or magazines at home? Which one? Thumbs up or so-so?
Well, I have a car magazine, so sometimes it's a yes, sometimes it's a kind of so.
Depends on what you're reading.
So
Okay.
let's put a kind of.
Okay.
Like the middle one.
How do you feel when you get a book as a gift? So-so?
Did we already fill that one in?
Yep. How do you feel when you're starting to read a new book? So-so. Does it depend on what you're reading? Okay.
All of them are kind of.
How do you feel about reading books in the summer when school is out? So-so. Okay. How do you feel about reading classes in school?
Reading classes in school?
Mm-hmm.
Reading classes?
Like, do you have like a reading class, like when you read books or you do different activities? You don't have a reading class?
Mm-mm.
You don't?
Tutoring.
Do you have like a English class? No. Do you ever read in school? So when the teacher gives you time to read, do you like that time?
All of us read at the same time.
Oh, you do? Oh, be careful. Okay, let's sit in your chair. Let's sit up on your chair. Can you sit on your bottom? Thank you. So, you don't like reading class, or you do? Yes or no?
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes yes? Okay, depending on what you're doing.
So where are you gonna fill in?
I'll put an in between parentheses. Does that sound good?
The middle?
Yep.
Oh, I was putting the
How do you feel about using a dictionary?
What is a dictionary?
A dictionary is a book that you can go look up what a word means or how to pronounce a word. Have you ever used a dictionary? You probably never used a dictionary before then. Have you?
What is a dictionary again?
You can look up what a word means. Any word that is in the world that people say, you can go look up what it means. Or how to pronounce it. So since you've never used one, I'll put
no
down face. Okay. How do you feel about the stories you read in reading class? You like them? Good.
You get to check out new books. Now I used to check out on Wednesday, and now I check out on Wednesdays again.
Oh, you do?
But I'm in different. I used to be in Mickey but now I'm in Minnie. Our teacher loves Disney.
Cool. Okay, couple more questions. How do you feel when you have to read out loud in class? Do you ever have to read out loud? You don't like it? Okay. How do you feel when the teacher asks you questions about what you read in class? So say you read something and then she asks you a question about it. Do you feel okay with that? Or kind of so-so?
Why are you saying so-so?
So, because, I mean, that's how I say it. It's like so-so, kind of, yes, no. You don't really have a yes, don't really have a no. Okay. Kind of works too.
I want you to say kind of.
Okay, I'll say kind of, sorry.
That's okay.
3 more questions, okay? How do you feel about reading science and social studies books in class? Yes? Good? Good?
It's a falling yes.
Okay. How do you feel when you are asked to complete worksheets and work pages at school?
Oh,
You hate them? Okay. I hate it too. How do you feel when you go to a bookstore?
Sometimes yes, so let's put a yes.
You want to put a happy face?
Yeah, if there's a book that I really want.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to sneeze. Whew.
You scared me.
All right, good job. Okay. So done with that. Now we're going to go on to our activity. This is our letter sound mix-up activity.
When will we be done video recording?
We're almost done, okay? Maybe after this activity. Okay, so you're going to have to put that away because you're going to have a sheet in front of you. Can you put that with your coat?
I'm going to roll it up. Really quick. Can I roll it up?
Real quick. 2 seconds. Go, go, go. Oh, that's going to take a little bit longer.
You'll see.
Quick, 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 quick. Quick, quick, quick.
See?
Yeah. Good job. Okay. So, I'm going to give you the first page. You recognize those, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you're pretty good at this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to time you for a minute, okay? And I want you to get through as many letter sounds, okay? So you're not going to say the letter, so you're not going to say R, C, X, F, okay?
That would be too easy.
Yeah, that's be way too easy. You're going to say the letter sound. So for example, what's this? What's this? What's this? Okay, so you got it. Okay?
Rex.
So to practice real quick, I want you to say the ABCs really, really fast. Ready? Go.
And the letter?
Yeah, say the letters. Sorry, not the sounds.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Perfect.
I didn't need to say these too early.
Okay, so I am going to.
Record it.
Well, you're already recorded, but I'm gonna get my timer out here. Okay.
For
For
1 minute.
1 minute.
Why not 2? I want 2.
You can do 1 minute.
Please 2.
Maybe next time, okay?
Okay.
Alright, are you ready? Start here. I want you to go across, okay? If you want to use your finger to help follow along, you can do that. Okay? Ready, set,
Go.
go.
K, x, m, k, a, b, e, h, x, m, e, a, w, y, a, z, s, g, d, s, I mean k, m, j, a, b, k, m, t, m, o, e, h, z, y, w, o, a,
Good.
e, d.
Alright, good
I
job.
got really far. I only had 1,
You did. So you got right here, didn't you?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got here.
You did get F? Okay. So I'm going to put a little line. Good job. That was pretty good.
Why don't you circle the ones that I did do, like a whole square that I didn't do?
Well, I'll just put a line here so that way I know which letter you were at. Okay? Alright. Now we have one more. Okay? It's the same thing, but a different order. Okay? So we're going to do...
Lining.
Do another minute, okay?
That's 2 minutes.
Yep, 2 minutes altogether. Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready?
No.
Are you ready now?
Fine.
You were killing it on that one. You got it. Okay, so let's see, let's see if you can beat what you did here. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters left. Let's see if you can get only 8 letters left.
What if I got 12 letters left again?
If you get 12, that's okay, but I just want you to see if you can beat. So
I
let's
don't
say,
think I can.
let's make your goal 8. And
So
if not,
what-
it's okay.
what
If you
letter?
don't get it, if not. But if
What
you do, that'd be really cool. So,
What letter?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to get to S.
C? Actually.
C.
I want to do C.
Easy peasy. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want you to follow along with your finger so you don't lose track. Can you do it? Put your finger on J.
Okay, remember this. I'll put my finger right there. Okay, I'll go.
You go? Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Go!
A, ya, t, ya, w, e, h, b, n, f, m, e, k, a, k, j,
It's okay, just keep going.
a, s, r, h, o, z, e, d, b, e, ya, g, n, s, k, x, k, w, t, a, b, f, n, d, s, k, q, s, k, ya, n, o, e, r, w.
Good job.
I got to see.
Ah, stop it.
I got.
You got ready?
No, I got to Z.
Good job.
This time I got to Z. I got to Z.
Hey, you made it. Oh,
I told you.
good job. All right. Well, that was quick and easy.
That was actually good. I knew I was gonna get it all.
I knew you could do it too. Okay, we're gonna practice our phoneme. Well, which one did you say?
That
to
one.
practice with?
The one with the snake.
Okay. We'll just start with that one. Okay. Let's see where we are.
That foot looks ugly.
Which foot?
That one.
Oh, it's a knee.
The foot, and then there's a big bubble.
Okay. So, let's do this. Let's set these out.
Stop video recording.
And it's almost
Done.
there's a couple more minutes.
I painted my nail.
Okay, so remember we do the squares are the first word that we do
Why are there stars on there?
because the squares and the stars mean something different.
What do they mean?
So the stars is the new word that we get when we take off the first sound of this word. Okay, so you're going to have to match them. Which I'm sorry. Okay, can I put these down real quick? Okay. All right. So, for example, remember if we have stop, I'm going to pick stop.
Top.
Top, which one's good? Okay, now you go ahead and you get to matching.
What's that one?
Clap.
Clap.
Mm-hmm.
That's hard. I forgot the key.
Key.
Which one's key? Which one is that key?
That is clam.
Clam.
So what I want you to do is I want you to pick one.
Oh, swing.
So which one's swing?
Key. And then if you add the other word, it's swing.
Mm-hmm. Good try, but those don't go together. Here, so pick snail. Take off what on snail? The first letter sound is what? On snail.
Ale. Ale. Nail.
Nail. Okay. So
Snail,
what?
nail.
Snail, nail. What letter sound did you take off snail? What was the first sound?
S.
Which is right? Okay, good.
Lip. Lip and rip rhyme.
Mm-hmm.
But
So let's say here we have clock.
clip. Rip and clip. Rip. Oh, those rhyme, aren't they?
They just rhyme. Yep.
Rip.
Here, look. Clock. Take
Clock.
off. Lock. Okay, what
Clock.
letter sound do you take off?
C.
C. Good. Let's do clip.
Clip. Rip.
Is crip. Is it crip or clip?
Clip. Ip.
Take off the first sound of clip.
Rip.
Take off the first
Clip.
sound of clip. Good.
Clip,
Clip, because you take off what sound?
C.
Good. Do two more. Remember what that was?
No.
Scar.
Scar. Scar car.
Scar
And
car.
those rhyme.
They do rhyme. So what do you take off of scar?
S.
S. What's this? You remember?
What's that?
spool. It's a spool.
Spool. Spool. Pool.
Pool. And what sound do you take off?
S.
S. Good. Do one more. I'll stop the recording.
I want the key word.
Okay, so what do you...
Key.
Now look over here. Which one would be
What is that one?
ski?
Key. Wait. Ski.
P.
So ski. So after you take off the S, you make key.
Key. Good. All right. Let's stop this.
Yay! You can stop it now.